Welcome to my school community. Here we're going to give you a freebie, one of the ones that you get, one of the many that you're going to get. And this one is called Receipt Jar. It's an app you find on your phone, whether it's on the Play Store or your iStore, whichever one you have. Now the Receipt Jar is in Canada. The American one is called Receipt Hog. And I'm also going to give you a promo code, which gives you a couple extra points, not a whole lot. And it's a very simple system to use. So watch the steps, step by step. We'll go through it, and here we go. This is what the app looks like. Very simple little app. You'll find it. Once you open it, this is what it'll look like. Now your points will naturally say 0 because you're just starting out. And then you have things that you can get like Uber Eats, Walmart, and we're going to continue on going on how to do this. Now this is after you've registered. You have to register in, sign yourself in, and then this is the first page that'll show up. Now here we are taking a photo of one of the receipts that we've gotten, and it's from Dollarama. It's not a big deal. You see it gets scanned. And then you double check and make sure it's not blurry, so that way you can accept it, or you can delete it and take it over again. Then once you accept it, say, yeah, it's good, it'll upload it. I almost forgot the promo code. Here it is. Write this down or take a screenshot so you don't forget it. Don't forget to put that in when you sign in, because that will give you some extra bonus points. And there we go. It's come back. It says thanks. And you can see it'll say your name, not my wife's name. And then you can either done or upload another one. And your points will have changed a little bit. Now you can click this window right here where it says receipt. And then you can see where it actually went through, the amount, so on and so forth, and how many points you got. So that was 5 points for just under $10. All these points add up, and that's how you get to exchange that for gift cards. And you can cash out at any time by going there and cashing that out. And those are the amounts you can get. So yes, that's Receipt Jar. It's not a cost you absolutely $0 to get it off of your phone. It's an app, and it will earn you very little. But on the other hand, it's something that you're already doing every day. So it's just a matter of following through, and you'll get better and better. Now, there is a couple of things for you to watch. Sometimes the app will say, oh, we couldn't read that, so it'll reject it. And you either go back, double check it. Maybe it was a bit blurry, retake it. Sometimes it'll say that it's too old. They check the date, even though you just got it. So you don't be afraid to challenge them on it. It happens quite often. The other thing they will do is to verify that you're actually making those purchases, is to ask you for the barcode that's on the side of the box. So whether you purchased a box of cereal, you'll go to the barcode on the side, take a photo of that, take a photo of the box, send that in, submit it, and they will actually give you points for that because now you've done an extra duty for them as well. So enjoy that, have some fun, and like I say, $0 cost, but very little return. But there's something, and it's free.